under?
What sign?
Astrological sign. I bet you were born under Aries. Aries people are forceful and dynamic. They dote on noise. They love to bang things around. I bet you had quite a lot of banging around in the army, and now that you're out, you make up for it by treating inanimate objects with such a fury.
Stanley was born just 5 minutes after Christmas.
Oh, Capricorn, the goat.
Yo, what sign were you born under?
My birthday's next month, the 15th of September. That's under Virgo.
Oh, yeah, well, what's Virgo?
Virgo is the virgin.
Ha ha!